Hello everyone, it's Kathryn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a Dollar Tree haul that I did. This is a couple of hauls put together. I got some things for my daughter. She is in preschool right now and she's learning her numbers and learning how to write her alphabet, and so I thought that I would get these because we just have a brand new Dollar Tree in town and they have some really good stuff. So I got these little flashcards and these little stickers to put on our page when she does a good job. So I got this little colors book. This one's for kindergarten, but the rest of them are pretty much for like her age. Letter sounds. This is for me to help her with, but the alphabet to practice like her letters and stuff, and then her numbers. And then I got two of these dry erase boards. One I wanted to put in my bathroom so that when we run out of toiletries and like household things, that I can write it down on the whiteboard instead of trying to remember. That way I have a list to go off of when I go to the store instead of just trying to guess. And the other one, I forgot what I got it for. Does anybody else do that? The next thing I got, I only found one of these, and it's like for berries or vegetables or whatever, and it looks just like the old berry baskets. And then I got these. I haven't seen these before. I picked up 6 of them. I got these from my craft room. So I liked these. They have a lid. And I stacked them on top of each other to see if I thought that they were pretty sturdy. And I thought that they were. So I liked these, so I got 6 of those. Then I got Easter eggs. I got these iridescent ones. These ones with this pretty design on it that I've never seen before. And they had 6 in this big one, but I've already used 3 of them. Then I got these baskets that also had lids on them. But they only had 2, or maybe I only got 2. But the next time I went back, they didn't have any more of these. And I thought that this was pretty sturdy also, and I like this color for my craft room. This looks more green on camera, but it's like a really pretty turquoise to me. Then I got this mesh. It's really pretty. I got a couple of those. This pretty ribbon. This pretty ribbon. These. This. I got this like right as the Valentine's stuff was, they were getting rid of it, so I think I even got this like for 50 cents or something. Then we have bunnies. This one says Happy Easter. This one has eggs. This one's just polka dotted. And then these ones I used in my unicorn tag flip book. So you might have already seen me get these. But I really liked these. Got another garbage can for underneath one of my other desks. Then they have these really cute, like, superhero keychains. They came like this, that I thought were so cute. They had 3 to pick from. They had pink, green, and it has the little tassel on here, the little lobster claw, and a bead. And then they have this purple and blue one, and I think it's so cute. And I got, my daughter keeps breaking her headphones, so I got her some from the Dollar Tree. And then I got some scissors just to have in my kitchen. Then I have these really cool bins that I was going to put my daughter's books in and keep them like this. Then I got this door sign, and it says Happy Easter, and then it's eggs coming off of here. I got these stickers. And these stickers. And these window decorations, but I thought that these would be pretty as stickers also. And then they have these window decorations. And then this was a sign too that I thought was really cute. And this one says Happy Easter. And then I got 2 of these baskets. I thought these were really pretty. I saw Erica Terry's DIY channel about her and her kid going to Disney and how she likes to have little pouches and stuff. And I had literally got this like 2 days ago, and then I think I saw her video post and she had the same bag. So Erica, if you're watching, we have the same bag. I got these little ones for my little girls to go with. They had a princess bags like these because I wanted them to have this and this. And then this other pencil bag just to have like things for the car to shove in here. And this is see-through too, so you can see what you're grabbing. And then I thought that these were cool. These are like a more grown-up version of the plastic bin thing that I just showed. It looks like this. And I'm gonna put papers and stuff in there. And then I have stickers to show too. So I got this file case organizer, and then I got a bunch of stickers. Oh, I got some tissue paper too because it was unicorns. It was super cute. I'm gonna be mailing my unicorn tag flipbook out, so I needed some tissue paper to send it. So So I thought these were super cute. They're really thick alphas, really bright, vibrant colors. I grabbed 2 packs of them, maybe even 3 packs of them, because you never know when you might need an extra of that letter and you don't have it. So I grabbed 3 of them. And these were the stickers that I got. I thought that they were really pretty. Have flowers and vases. And they're 3D stickers too. This one came like as a pack. It's a happy birthday. And the alphas are back here. And this is the same sticker sheet. And then these. I like this one because it's coming out of the envelope. And this was the last one. I just thought these were so pretty. So thank you guys so much for watching this and liking this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.